If a hailstorm rolled through your property tomorrow, would your metal roof survive? Today we're putting that question to the test. So before we start the fun stuff, let's talk about where hail actually comes from. Warm air rises rapidly into the atmosphere, where temperatures are below freezing. Water droplets freeze into ice pellets. Strong updrafts then carry those pellets higher and higher through the storm. Each trip through the clouds adds another layer of ice. Eventually, the hailstone becomes too heavy for the storm to hold, and gravity takes over. The result can be anything from harmless pea-sized hail to baseballs falling from the sky. And that's where property damage starts adding up. We've built a DIY hail cannon that can launch frozen ice at speeds up to nearly 100 miles per hour. We're going to simulate everything from pea-sized hail all the way up to softball-sized hail, and see what really happens when it strikes a 29-gauge steel. So let's get into the first test, the pea-sized hail. This type of hail is typically about a 1/4 inch in diameter and falls at speeds up to 20 to 25 miles per hour. Most people wouldn't think twice about a storm producing hail this size. In fact, many property owners walk outside after the storm and don't see any dents and assume everything is okay. So let's see what happens with this first test. So as you can see from that test, at first glance it doesn't look like much happened. No major dents, no punctures, no obvious damage. But this is where things get interesting. One of the biggest misconceptions about hail damage is that if you can't see it, it doesn't exist. When hail strikes a metal panel, even small hailstones can create microscopic fractures in the paint system. Over time, those microfractures can allow moisture to reach the steel underneath. That can accelerate corrosion, rust, and deterioration long after the storm is over. So while pea-sized hail may not leave a dramatic dent, it can still begin a damage process that is completely hidden from view. Now we're moving up to the golf ball size hail. These hailstones are roughly 1.75 inches in diameter and can hit speeds approaching 50 miles per hour. So let's take a look at the test. So now you can see from that test we are seeing visible dents. And this is exactly what many property owners experience after a severe thunderstorm. The steel isn't punctured, but the panel is definitely taking damage. This is also where another issue begins. Many people focus on the dent itself. What they don't see is what can happen to the paint system. Just like with the pea-sized hail, this can create microscopic fractures in the coating. You may not see it immediately, but those tiny cracks can eventually expose the steel underneath to moisture and corrosion. Now we're stepping into some serious storm territory, baseball-sized hail. Baseball-sized hail measures around 2.75 inches across and can reach speeds between 70 and 80 miles per hour. This is the type of hail that destroys siding, breaks windows. Now let's see what it does to our steel. So as you can see, that's a significant hit. The dents are becoming severe. But notice something important. The panel still isn't punctured. This is one reason our engineering department prefers 29-gauge, heat-treated, full-hard, high-tensile steel with a minimal yield strength of 80,000 psi. A lot of people assume thicker automatically means stronger. That's not always true. The harder steel we're testing today is designed to better resist impacts from hail, rocks, and accidental damage. So now we're moving on to our last test, and this is the one you've been waiting for. This is a softball-sized hail. These hailstones can exceed 4 inches in diameter and reach speeds approaching or even exceeding 100 miles per hour. This is the ultimate test for our 29-gauge steel panel. The question is simple: will it survive or will it finally break through? Let's find out. And as you can see, the 4-inch hailstone punched straight through the steel panel. That's a result we haven't seen in any of our previous tests. Throughout the test, we've watched the steel absorb impact after impact. This demonstrates an important reality. While puncturing 29-gauge steel is extremely uncommon in real-world storms, extreme hail events can generate enough force to overwhelm even a high-quality metal roofing system. And once the steel is penetrated, water intrusion becomes an immediate concern. So now let's compare all of our test results. Pea-sized hail can cause little visible damage, but can create microfractures in the paint coating. Golf ball-sized hail produced notable denting and cosmetic damage. Baseball-sized hail created severe deformation and could potentially affect fasteners and panel performance. and softball-sized hail, it completely punctured the steel. So the takeaway? Don't assume hail damage only exists when you see a hole in your roof. Sometimes the most serious problems start with tiny cracks in your paint system that you can't even see. And in truly extreme storms, hail can become powerful enough to puncture steel entirely. So that's it for the hail testing. If you ever wondered how a pole barn shop, garage, or barndominium would hold up in a hailstorm, now you have a little better idea. So would you trust your roof after seeing the softball test? Let us know in the comments section down below. And if you'd like to see some more construction tests like this one, be sure to hit that subscribe button because we got plenty more coming. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.